Good morning, dear students. We will start the new topic now, the principle of duality and complement. We have discussed about the gates, we have discussed about the basic terminologies, the basic gates, universal gates and the exclusive gates. Now, principle of duality. The dual of any of the statement. I am writing one statement here as AB bar plus B into 0 plus C bar D. If we write to dual, we need to write the dual of this expression with the duality principles. What will happen? Each 0 will be converted into 1 and vice versa. Means 1 will be converted into 0. AND gate will be converted into OR and OR gate will be converted into AND. Means the gates will be interchanged and the zeros and ones will be interchanged. Here, so here AND gate is placed, here AND gate is placed, here AND gate is placed. In this expression, the resultant gate is OR. Here in this expression, the resultant gate is OR. So, by the principle of duality, the dual of this expression will be A plus B bar and is converted into OR, and this is OR, so it is converted into AND. B plus 1, 0 is converted into 1, and C bar plus D. So AND gate is converted into OR in all the cases. OR gate is converted into AND in all the cases, and 0 is converted into 1. This is the duality principle. If we need to convert or to represent the dual form of any expression given in Boolean algebra, so we have to do by these two laws. Zeros are converted into ones and ones into converted into zeros. AND gate is converted into OR and OR will be converted into AND. This is the duality principle. Now, come to the complement. For the same statement, A B bar plus B dot 0 plus C bar D, we need to write the complement of this statement. Here in complement, convert AND into OR and vice versa. Means AND gate is converted into OR and OR will be converted into AND. The same as duality principle. But zeros and ones are not converted. Inverse the variable. The variable which is written in the form, it will be inversed. Variable, not 0 or 1, I am telling about. First of all, convert AND into OR and vice versa. So A plus B bar and B plus 0 and C bar plus D. First principle is applied. Second is to inverse the variable. So A is converted into A bar. B bar was given, double bar. It is bar, double bar and bar. Means for each and every variable, we have to place one bar. What happens? This bar will be cancelled, 2 bars, and the expression will be A bar plus B, B bar plus 0 and C plus D bar. Look at this. The variables are inversed and the gates are changed. This is the complement of the expression given. So dear students, principle of duality and complement. It is very important to learn about, especially the complement. Later on we will discuss about De Morgan's theorem, which is completely based upon this complement theory. So principle of duality, where the zeros are converted into ones and ones into zeros, and is converted into or and or into and. In complement, and or are converted, replace each other, and each and every input variable is inversed. So duality and complement principles, dear students. Thank you.